Why AI in finance keeps failing. The math versus the hype. Most people think AI in finance fails because the models aren't smart enough. That's not the real problem. The real problem is governance. In finance, governance means a few very specific things. Decisions must be deterministic, they must be traceable, they must be auditable, and they must be reproducible. Now here's the issue. Large language models are stochastic systems. They don't compute truth. They generate statistically probable language. And that creates a fundamental mismatch. Finance needs deterministic outcomes, but LLMs produce probabilistic responses. Those two things are not compatible. This is why hallucinations aren't really the problem. They're not a bug. They're the system working exactly as designed. The real failure is architectural. We're trying to use language systems as if they were decision systems. So what do enterprises do? They add guardrails, disclaimers, human review, AI-assisted labels. But none of this actually creates financial truth. It just reduces visible risk. The underlying system stays the same. There is still no authoritative financial state. The AI is still guessing, just with better optics. So firms try to fix this by adding retrieval, but that just creates a new illusion.